Merry Christmas. Cold Christmas morning, but it's supposed to be a pretty good day weather-wise. It's very early. It's a little after 7 a.m. And so the question is, did we make it? Did we meet our deadline for providing a new control surface for home audio at my parents' house? The answer to that is an unequivocal yes. You can take a look at the following screens, perhaps some short video clips, and you can see that indeed the control surface is functioning. This is still what I call the utility interface. We are still working on the React-powered UI, but I think we did okay. I think this works pretty well. People are happy with it, and anytime my dad uses a product and remarks with, quote, "so simple," I call that mission accomplished.